Alright, up here on the roof today, I'm going to try a shot at cleaning up here. So it's not terribly dirty, but I'm getting ready to do some work up here, so I'm going to clean it today. A couple days ago I did the soft start on the AC. That's working well. Next project is I'm going to replace that vent, my bedroom vent, with a MaxxAir fan, and I will cover this vent that's already a MaxxAir fan with a cover, and also do some repair to the Dicor that's up here. So a few spots here and there certainly could use some attention, but today I'm gonna get it all nice and clean, so when I'm ready to do that work, it's a clean surface. To start off with today, got a brush, and it is it's a nice soft fine brush, and take a peek over this way, and over the side of the unit is my bucket and my hose. I've got it tied off to the ladder, so I'm going to haul that up top. And then in my bucket is some Murphy's Oil soap, so I'm going to mix that into my bucket and get to washing. Alright, let's wet her down. We'll do one section at a time. Yeah, it looks dirty or wet. Well, I guess that's okay. It'll make it easier to find where I need to clean. Okay, you can see it's not perfectly clean maybe, but I think you can kind of see the line where I washed back a couple feet up front here, so we will keep on going. And again, a few more feet back, so you can see a difference. Not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was, certainly. And working around the AC, this side's been cleaned right there in the back, and over here has not. So this stuff is working pretty good to get it clean. It's had a little bit of time to dry. It looks 100% cleaner. 100% cleaner. Nice, nice, nice. Give me a clean canvas for the rest of my work. Alright, it's been a hot minute since I recorded that video washing the roof. Matter of fact, all the other things I described in the video that I'm going to do, I've done. So that stuff's on the channel. Take a look around. But one thing I've done is I've upgraded my brush. This is the brush I used in the video. Nothing really wrong with it. But sometimes, no matter how careful you are, when you're washing around, you hit something. And I've cracked a couple vents that way, which is not ever good. So I've upgraded to this brush. This brush, when you're washing around and you hit something, all you do is wash it a little more. So it's nice and soft. You just hit more brush instead of hitting the side of the brush head, and I haven't cracked anything since. So great brush, much better upgrade for washing your RV roof. I'll try to put a link to this in the description. Murphy's Oil soap I just buy at Walmart. I'll try to find a link for that anyway. So nothing you see on my channel is ever paid for by a manufacturer. I buy all this stuff with my own money. All my upgrades and all my repairs, or just my doing. So please like and subscribe. We appreciate it. It helps us grow the channel, helps us make more videos. I've got several more coming. Just changed the blinds out in my RV. So that should be a good one. I'll get that posted next, I think. And while I've already got a video on the channel for my peeling recliners, I'm getting ready to post one for my peeling dinette, which was a harder issue to solve. So again, like and subscribe. Lots more good stuff coming for you, and we'll see you on the next video.